This is gonna be the elevator at the Notre Dame hospital, one of them in Montreal. It's on RC. This one I think is gonna be the one we get. Not sure the brand, but they do have Dover-like chimes. Ooh, we got this one. Let's get a cab view going down. SS. As you see, we got old GAL fixtures. There's a view of the cab. These are fast doors. No Dover blue, so this isn't a Dover. It's definitely something generic. Let's go up to 6. Old GAL vandal resistant fixtures. Here we go. We got a 3-speed door. Let's go down to 1. There's no phone in here. Don't know what brand this one is, but it is nice. Here on 1. Anyways, there it goes. And that's gonna be it.